Yeah.
Okay, but I poop Marjo.
We good?
Yeah.
Why isn't this staying?
Move your hand, Bob. There's a stick behind me. See the stick?
Yeah.
Grab it.
What is that for?
Nishiben, you're in front of the camera.
Oh, the camera's right here.
Now move the stick and push it more that way. Yeah, there you go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
The leg.
The leg.
Like,
I'm coming.
hey, stay back.
Lift it up.
Get Buddha, please.
Lift what?
Come here, Buddha.
Yeah, right there. Okay, now. Wait.
You guys keep the phone. Move out of the way.
Tap it down.
What? Oh yeah, I know. My bad.
There we go. Okay, now move back. Push that in. But you got the other side?
This is good. We're good.
We're in?
We're good. No, almost. Hold it. Get up. There's that little. There you go. Good.
What's that?
I got it.
It's a stick we use for
There we go.
In?
Okay,
Alright. Wait, no, don't push it. Let it go now. Back up.
Slowly.
Slowly.
Slowly?
Yeah, slowly.
Yeah. Everything slowly. Yeah. Always. Just in case. Just keep it. Just. Yeah. Keep it tight. Hold on it. Go ahead.
You go a little faster.
Buddha.
There you go. You touched the tip.
Buddha, move out of the way.
Fucking Buddha. Yeah, you're good. Keep going slow.
Slowly. Now you see that it's coming out. We don't want it to go.
Yeah, we're halfway, but we're good.
Keep dropping it?
Yeah, keep
Yeah.
dropping.
Keep dropping.
Buddha!
Robin, you guys, you should have told him to go.
Hold him back.
Hold his collar, Robin. Buddha.
You're good. Voila.
Alright.
You're good.
We're good.
Alright, tie that up. Tie that up.
Oh my God, this one is just a wall of people.
Wait. Be careful.
What's the temperature at?
Yeah, but I want to take pictures in 1 hour and pull it out.
1 hour? What time is it?
Sit down. Yeah, look at the time.
Just wait for 3 minutes from now.
Did you weigh? How much you weigh?
19 pounds.
Plus the chicken.
Alright, but
Do you have like a light
out here? Yeah, let's like turn that
Do you have
off.
like a spotlight or something?
I'm sure they have
That's Timmy's house.
Oh, okay.
It's at 200 degrees right now.
So we need to turn it up then, right?
No, it'll go.
It'll go up because I'm going to
Oh, you took it out, huh?
Yeah, I had
You
my
took
hand.
the temperature
I had
out.
it in my hand,
Yeah,
yeah.
okay.
'Cause I didn't want that to be like one of the things.
Okay.
I can always stab it anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Look at me multitasking. Snapchat is holding the baby and the
It
dog.
smells delicious.
Trevor was there the whole time?
We need a light.